think it's really important that we have literary arts, especially for me, poetry, spoken word right now, for young people in schools because it gives them a chance to connect with somebody else outside of their environment in the school and to decompress what they're feeling in this time of isolation and anxiety and nervousness, where they get to say, this is my story, this is what I'm going through, this is what I'm thinking about as we're in this really peculiar time. They get a chance to voice how they feel and talk to someone about it and transfer that into art, into writing, into spoken word, into something that has a life of its own. I always tell the kids, like when else is someone going to come into your classroom and say, what do you think? What's important to you? Uh, where are you? What's happening? And not be worried about um, a grade or a timeline or the outside pressures of the academic environment. I'm just there to give them a voice and help them refine speaking with that voice. It's an opportunity I really enjoy, but also they give back so much because they have stories to tell, like we all do.